Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to change themes on Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, open the settings of your phone and scroll into the themes. Right here we need to sign into the Galaxy themes, so sign in with Google in my case. And I'll be back when I'm signed in. Okay, now select who will be using this device. I will agree. Now we're in Google Services. After it loaded, we can select to back up the device, don't back up. It's just a setup of a Google account. And now, once again, sign in. Check out the following options. Check out privacy notice to see how we manage your data. So we need to accept the terms and conditions. We have the optional turn on offline finding. Agree. And then get started. It is loading the Samsung Galaxy themes. And now we can choose the themes right here and buy one. Also the wallpapers and icons. We have the top. You can find the free ones. For example, this. Here, click download. And after it is completed, you can hit apply. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.